Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Where Wendy Travels. Today, I want to take a look at the Cooper chat stand for my cell phone. So I've been wanting a smaller tripod so you can see my sewing when I sew or see my hands when I'm working. Or, hey, I can just watch a video at my level instead of looking down here at the table. So let's open this up and take a look at the Cooper phone tripod for my desk and see what I have. And I think that's all of it. Nope. The stand is still in here. So we're going to take the, oh, love that. Very heavy weight to hold my phone up. So I like that. It's a Cooper case. It's got the beautiful kind of, I don't know what you call it, a rubber kind of fabric-y smooth surface on the bottom that's almost furry to touch. And then we have our stand. So let's go ahead and see if we can put that together. And that looks like all that is in my box. And what a beautiful box it comes in, complete to where it cannot move around. What a beautiful box. Okay, so let's take a look. Obviously, this is for my camera. So let's see how we do this. Oopsie. Sorry about that, my friends. Okay, so we're putting the piece on here, and then we're going to probably put that on backwards. And then we're going to screw this in to hold my cell phone or pop it right over the... Yes, it looks like I'm doing that right. So we're going to pop it right over that ball. Oh, there we go. Don't be afraid to push. It just pops over there. So that's really good information to know. And then we can screw this on and tighten it. My friends, this is what I am loving. I can go 360 degrees, tilt this all around. I guess I should loosen it. Tilt this all around to hold my cell phone. So we'll put my cell phone in there so I can show you. And this looks like I'm going to attach it just right on here. So let's open up this little envelope that comes with it and see what parts I have inside. Very nice envelope. So if you do junk journaling, keep all of your parts because these can be fun junk journaling tools. Okay, so I have two beautiful screw-like creatures, and I have my tool that's going to, we're going to screw that on. I guess I should use my tool. Oh, how handy. Okay, so you can pop the tool right inside of there and just twist this around. And this is, you know, I'm always nervous when I buy something I have to assemble. I'd rather somebody else put it together for me. But this tool, the Cooper stand, is amazingly easy to do. Okay, I have my stand, and let's see if we adjust. It'd be cool if we did, but it's fine if we don't. And we extend another 4.5 inches, what is that, 11.5? 11.5 centimeters or 20.9 centimeters is what it now. It goes another 11.5. So I'm excited. This goes up a whole 12 inches. So so easy. Oh my gosh. I am loving this. Look, I can tilt it down for all of my tilt it up. Okay, turn it around. Okay, so let's see how this works. And I have extra parts. We're going to keep a hold of those. Those height adjustment, vertical tilt, horizontal tilt, 360 degree, flip it around. Just the one screw in the bottom. We are golden. So I'm going to put these in with my tools. Now I do have the FlexiSpot desk, which is wonderful. I have a drawer. I'm going to put that right in the front part of my drawer. It is also adjustable. So my friends, with the FlexiSpot desk and the Cooper chat stand for my phone, I am loving life. This is completely wonderful, and I am going to go ahead and set up now and make you a video. I'm so excited. Look at this. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay. Thank you. And my friends, I'm going to show you a close-up of putting the stand together again, but I did want to show you the FlexiSpot desk. It is absolutely wonderful. It is maneuverable. It is sleek. It is 4 different height adjustments. I can raise it up. I can lower it. All right, so let me show you this one more time. I have my stand. My rubber part goes to the bottom. My upper part is going to go here, and look at the pieces here. I've got 2 little bumps and a screw. So I've got 2 little bumps and a screw. It's going to line up perfectly, and it holds it. And then we're going to turn it upright. I'm going to place the holes back in here and hold it. I'm going to put my screw. It's going to sink right into that spot that is made for it. And I'm trying to do this with only 2 hands showing a camera, so I'm fumbling a little. There we go. We locked into place. And now we're going to start the screw. And the screw is going in. As soon as I get it snug, it's holding it in place in that bar. And then I can easily just push this in and turn it. Now this screw is going to disappear into the base of the stand, so you are not going to have a rough surface at all, and it's smooth. So unlike before when I put it in upside down, this is the right side, this is the metal side up top, this is the rubber side on the bottom. The screw disappears completely into it, and we are ready to place our phone any direction we want. Tilt it, turn it, tilt it, however we want to have that phone. So now let's try it out, shall we? Oh, yes, and it goes down to the 8.2 inches or all the way up to the 12.7 inches at the top. All right, I'm excited. Let's play, shall we? Now, my friends, I want to demonstrate how easy it is to use the Cooper chat stand. We have our cell phone, and we want to just take it, and we want to push it against the base, pull it out, and snap it in. We want to make sure that it's not covering up our buttons to cause any commotion with our phone buttons. So no matter where your buttons are on your phone, you want it right in between so it can hold it. Now, if we want it in the horizontal, if we want to listen to a YouTube video or watch a YouTube video, this is perfect for that. But if I want to take my stand and I want to video my quilting, I can tilt it right like this and put it right underneath, so you have my phone video recording my quilting or whatever is going on underneath the stand. So if we have the sewing machine up on the table, and say I'm doing a sewing demonstration, I can lower this and get right in and show you the stitches that otherwise I would not be able to. And if I want to do it horizontally, just the same, very, very easy to do. Now let me show you again. You say, Wendy, I've got a really wide phone. How do I get it in there? Look at this, my friends. It opens up so far that it is going to hold any phone. This is a larger than normal Apple iPhone. And look, once it's in there, I can open it another 1/2 inch. So you see that this is going to be very, very good at getting down where I need it to be without blocking everything like currently this cell phone is doing. So I am very excited about my new Cooper chat stand. And you know what? It being stiff and me getting a real grip on it to open it up, it just makes me more confident. It's not going to slide down with the weight of my heavy case and my heavy phone. It's going to stay exactly where I put it. It is a sleek design. It has the rubber on the bottom, so it's not going to make a sound when you move it around. The metal is towards the top. I think you are going to be very, very happy with your Cooper chat stand.